Hello guys, do you need to know how, where and what you need to start up a cassava flying business, or you have been looking on how you can start up a cassava flying business in Uganda? So this is a perfect time for you to know what you need to start up this business. So guys, it's very easy, you can do it. We're going to start by the items, show you the items that you need, their prices, and you see how you can budget for your business and you start right away. So let's jump with the items. Don't forget subscribe, like, share and comment. If you find this video very helpful, share it to your friends who also need to start up a cassava business as well. So let's jump with the item. The item number one is kalai, or many people call it flying pan. So this is the one that is going to be helping you to fly your cassava, and its price is like at 10,000 shillings of Uganda. So note that down because this is very important. This is the one that you're going to be using to fly your cassava. So the second item is cooking oil. And cooking oil right now in Uganda, the price is 7,000 shillings. 7,000 shillings, you can start with 1 liter. It's okay because you're going to buy like cassava for 10,000 shillings. And you can get that cassava at a cheap price, maybe from markets or around you. There are people who sell cassava there. You can go and negotiate and you buy at a good price. So the next item that you need is charcoal, and I recommend charcoal for a good starter because charcoal is not too expensive. Maybe if you're not used to charcoal, you can use a gas, but charcoal is more profitable. You can get your profits from charcoal. And you're going to start with the one maybe for 3k. 3k is enough for you to start. The charcoal for 3k is enough. So another item that you need is stove, charcoal stove, the one that you're going to be putting that charcoal so that you can cook or you can fry your chips very well. So that stove is at 3k, or you can get the one for 5,000. You can see the best size according to your kalai, how it is. If the kalai is too big, you're also going to use a bigger charcoal stove. So another one you're going to be needing, another item is a table, because there is no way you're going to serve your cassava without a table that you're going to place maybe your display bucket, the one you're going to be putting in your cassava for you to serve your customers. So that table, you can find it at 10k, and that display bucket I'm telling you about that many people put in their cassavas, where you find like on roads people are putting in the buckets, the transparent buckets. They are at 5,000 shillings mostly. So you can get that bucket, or if you get more profits when you continue this business, you can buy a display as well. So start with the bucket, it's the best option because even it's transparent, people can see through what you're selling. So another item is Cassava. These Cassava polythene bags, they are going to be helping you to pack for your customers when they are going somewhere. There are some people who are rushing to their jobs because this cassava is being prepared in the morning, so people are being rushing to their jobs. So you're going to be packing from these buveras, black and transparent white ones. You're going to be spending like 2,000 each day for the Cassava. So you're going to be packing for your customers in black or white. It's according to what they have bought. So another item you're going to be needing is an umbrella. An umbrella is at 10,000. Remember, there is too much sunshine in the morning sometimes, or sometimes it rains. There is no way you're going to run. So that umbrella will be protecting you from sunshine or too much rain. So that's in 10,000 shillings. So another item, I can call it an item, but it's something very important that you need to know as someone who is starting a business, that there is no one who is going to give you a place for free. So have to go and negotiate with the person whom you want to be, maybe using his or her place, like in front of the veranda, in front of her shop where there is a busy area. You're going to pay for that place. Some people take from you like 10,000 or 50,000 shillings. It's according to the place that you have gone, but most places they charge you like 10,000 shillings a month because you even work during the day, you don't work the whole day. So you're going to be paying that rent. You're going to negotiate with that person and see the price. So those are the main items, or those are the main things that you have to be having. So go through your budget, go through your capital and see which places to minimize, which cost, like what costs you, and you see if you can start up this business. But this business is very easy, does not need many people. You yourself, you can handle it yourself and do this business, guys. So we are going to jump into the video and show you how you can do it, how you can fly this cassava, show you step by step how you can do it. So guys, I'm going to be starting from scratch and to the end, and you become a pro in preparing cassava for selling. So let's jump into the video, guys. So after buying your cassava, you start peeling it. As I've told you, you buy fresh cassava that will look very white in your transparent bucket, and you peel it very well. Be careful you don't cut yourself because it's not that very easy. You have to take it gentle. You peel very well and very nicely. You have to take it gentle. You peel very well and very nicely. You peel one by one. Do it very nice. So you can see that's good, and you have to peel all of them according to what you have bought. And after you bring any container, you have seen I've brought a saucepan that I'm going to put my cassava. You first wash it. After washing, you put in that saucepan so that you can peel off the outer layer part. There is that outer layer part of a cassava. That's the one that I'm going to start peeling. So this outer layer part, when it comes to flying, you have to be careful because when you put it without removing it, the cassava becomes black, as if it has spent a lot of time in the oil, and the cassava doesn't get ready as you want. So you have to remove that outer part. So that's the one thing that's the secret that most people don't know, to keep your cassava very white and very ready inside. So after you cut it, you can see I'm cutting. You have to cut it into like good pieces that are very even equal, so that customers won't complain that some are small and others are big. So you have to make them in a good shape and in a same size. So you cut them as you're preparing your charcoal stove, your oil. You have bought them, they're there. You're preparing them, they are heating so that you can put your cassava. So also in cutting cassava, in cutting them into pieces, you have to be careful because guys, when you're still learning, you have to cut yourself. So but take it easy, you're going to know it very well. So after cutting, you're going to pick some of them that you have already got and you put them in the oil. So I have put my 1 liter in my kalai and my cassava there. It will even not last for 10 minutes, only 6 to 5 minutes. They are enough for it to be ready because the other outer part is off. My cassava will not be black or will not look like it's ready yet it's not ready. So I'm going to keep flying, and you keep on putting it up and down, and then when you realize that your cassava is ready, after 5 minutes you're going to remove it. So easy, guys. It's an easy act, and you find that you have got much money according to how many pieces that you have cut. So me, I sell 3 pieces for 500, and you can see that you will get over more than 100 pieces or more than 200 pieces. So it depends on how you cut when also counting your profit, as you are also cutting in a way that people will be attracted to your cassava. And make sure that you remove it when it's still white and clean, so that customers will be attracted to it and will come to buy. So that is it. Depends on how you sell. Some people sell 5 pieces at 500, but if you want to get more profit, you can sell like 3 or 4, but depends on your competitors around you. You will see what you can make more than them, and customers come to you. So that is it. You remove it, put in your display bucket or put in your display if you have it. If you can get someone who can give you a display, or if you can wait for profits to get much and you buy it. So this is the one that I put in my display. You can see it how it is. It's looking very nice. I'm waiting for my customers to come and buy them. So that's how it was, and I think you have enjoyed this video. And one thing I want to remind you of is that, guys, remember to cut these cassavas in a way that you also get a profit. You'll get also more than you have invested, guys. And make sure that you welcome your customers very well in a warm welcome, so that they'll come again. And remember to keep your hygiene, keep your sanitation where you were working from, so that customers will see your place as a clean place, as a safe place. And even those big people can buy from you cassava for breakfast. So that was it in this video. Hope you have learned something, guys, that will help you in future, that will help you in this new year not to be broke, to start up this business and you get more profits in this cassava business, guys. It does not need much oil. You are going to start investing only in cassava and the oil because you have bought all the items at the start. So, and thanks for watching. Hope to see you in the next video, where I'm going to be teaching you how to prepare a colored cassava. Remember to like, share and subscribe for the next video. Bye.